guys, dito na kami sa Baskin Robbins ice cream. So yan, we're going to buy ice cream for the kids. So yan, tingnan natin kung masarap yung sinasabi ni Boss Jonathan na Baskin Robbins, guys. Let's go, let's go. Let's go. There's the Baskin Robbins over there. Why? You're not even a fan of ice cream. Karina, Carme! Of course. We're already here, that's why I woke you up. I woke you up because I need to wake you up. Or else you're gonna be left in the car. There's the Baskin Robbins, guys.
I'm gonna get 5 of them.
Baskin Robbins. Halimbawa mo tapi sa salwa ng taging kain. Halimbawa na rin ba? Makanya niya naman natay. Makanya niya naman natay. Ice cream. Oh, you choose flavor. You choose flavor, guys. You choose. Ayan. Pili muna kami, guys. Ayan. So, pili muna kami after. Balik kami. See you. Ayan, guys. May ano na sila. May mga ice cream na sila. So, ayan. Ayan. Baskin Robbins. Tingnan natin. Ano mami, masarap ba yung Baskin Robbins ano natin? Masarap ba yung Baskin Robbins? Wow! Is it good? How about this? Can you eat this? The unicorn? Alright! Wow, what? Cut me! You can get from here. You can get from here if you want. It says the it's a cookies and cream. It's a is it good, Karina? What? Ayan guys, kumakain na sila. Look at me! Look at me! Why are you still mad at me? Ayan guys, so dito kami sa Baskin Robbins. Hi guys, sorry. Ayan, dito kami sa Baskin Robbins. Ayan. Are you enjoying the ice cream?
I'm eating the horn.
Will you go here again?
Tomorrow.
Tomorrow.
You have school tomorrow.
This is once a year. Just once a year.
On my birthday.
Yeah, if you want to, we'll go here on your birthday. Oh, I think we can buy here cake, isn't it? How much? How much are the cakes? Maltila mo. Let's check the cakes, guys, no? Tingnan natin kung cut me! Cut me! Yan, tingnan natin yung mga cakes dito, guys. Style eh. Ice cream cake na mami eh. Mami, ice cream cake. Ice cream cake sila. So ayan, nag-i-eat pa sila guys. So yan, balik kami mamaya guys pag tapos na. At tatanungin natin yung mga kids kung nagustuhan ba nila yung Baskin Robbins ice cream. Ayan, see you later guys. See you later guys, see you. So, ayan guys, so malapit na tayo matapos sa ating game. Ayan, malapit na. Yun, gulong dumi oh. Then, so, tatanungin natin yung mga guys kung what score they can give on their ice cream. So, Karina, what can you what score can you give?
This one's 7.
7 for the sour one?
It's too sour.
Yeah, it's like a fruity cake ice cream.
How about
Yeah.
mine one?
How about yours? Cake?
I give the
What score can you give
Oh,
on your ice cream?
9.
9, okay.
Actually 10.
So, how about you, mommy? What score can you give on your ice cream? The almond, cookies and cream? 9? Oh. How about you, Katme? Mine, I'm gonna score 7.
Mine I'm just score
Yeah.
9.5.
9.5 yours.
Yes.
So,
No,
we'll,
one. My one.
so we'll go back here.
Let's get more.
To get more? To get more?
Actually,
Or
this
taste-
this
taste the
one's
other flavors.
6.5.
6.5, yeah.
9.5.
Actually, this one is good for me because it's a sourly taste. It's like oranges, fruits,
I want.
fruit ice cream.
Are we gonna get this one?
I like it, yeah. I like it.
Can we get more?
We get more next time. Not now. So, yan guys, score na namin yung ano yan. Baskin and Robbins, yan. You're thirsty?
Can I have water?
Oh, we have water in the car. Yan. Yan, we will just ubos this one. Or go home. Ayan guys, see you next time guys. Yan. Tingnan nyo na lang yung mga ibang titikman natin mga pagkain. Yan. So, don't forget if you like the video. Hey, if they like the video, what they will do?
Subscribe. Like, subscribe, hit the notification bell, and share it.
And share.
Yeah.
So, see you guys.
Like a real bye.
See you guys.
So we will see you at the end of this video. So you'll